So in this app, all you are going to be doing is to post here. Like any post you make, you are going to be earning. Okay, it's just like Facebook, and it's just like TikTok, it's just like Instagram and other platforms, right? So all you need to do in this particular app is for you to register. Once you register, if you're going to be using my referral code, like if you copy the referral code that I'm going to be leaving in the link below, you are going to be earning immediately you actually log in here. Okay, just like now, staying in this particular app, I've earned like 1.90 US dollars. Okay, so for you to stay in this app for 5 minutes, you will be earning 100 points, and the 100 points is 1.90 US dollars, and you need $10 in order for you to like withdraw. If you stay here for some time, like if you stay like 60 seconds, you will actually earn money. Okay, so now this is what you do. You come to this place where it says, when you have actually downloaded, this is my dashboard right now. I just opened this particular account, so this is my dashboard. What you're going to do is you are going to like be setting your dashboard, right? You're going to be setting your dashboard. So I'm not going to be setting my dashboard right now, and I want you to know this. See, this thing is now, if you post a video and you get 1k views from a particular video, you're going to be getting 0.1 cent for 1,000 views you get. Then if you come here and refer someone, if you refer like one person, you'll be getting 15 cents. And so it depends on how many referrals you get. Okay, and you need like $10 in order for you to like withdraw your money from this particular app. So I came across this app and I decided to like review it and come to you guys in order for you people to see it also. Okay, then if you want to join, then you can join. So you can come here, you can put in your picture. You see this where they wrote big G for me. You can come here and put your picture. You can add your bio, whatever thing you do and all that. Then you can also add your links here. Okay, you can add the links you want or you have here. So this is where you're going to be seeing how much points you've made and how much points you've got. Okay, come here, wait, I'm making video. How much coins you make. So if you want to like send or share to people, you come to where it says share profile. I'm actually not following anyone right now. You can like share your profile to people so that they can watch your videos. Okay, so this is where the notifications are, how much you make, how much coins you have actually gotten. Then you come to this place where it has a plus sign down below. You come here, you are going to like be posting a video. So let me just try and select a random post or a random video, a random song. You can post any random stuff you have and actually get paid for it. Okay, once it reaches views, like it reaches 10 views, maybe you might not want to like use your particular
I wanted to like show my girlies
for this
how to make use of like payment apps to
like
make
you might not
money.
want to use yourself
But you know,
for this
these girls,
particular app. Then I will teach you. If you tell me to teach you, like if I get teach me how to use AI to create videos, just tell me in the comment section. I'm going to be making a video on that. I will give you step-by-step tutorial on how to use AI to make videos that you're going to be posting here. Okay, if you can also not do AI on, you can also go to TikTok, download videos and upload here if you cannot do it yourself. Okay, so then you have to click on next. They said that my video is too long, then the maximum video length is 1 minute. Then I'm going to be tapping okay. So I'm actually going to like redo a video or get a 1 minute video. For now I'm going to skip this. or keep editing. Let's see, keep editing. Let's leave. So that is how we are going to be uploading your video here, and you are going to be getting paid once it reaches 1,000 views. Okay, so you come to this place. I'm trying to like find, this is where your dashboard is, then this is the reels where you see reels. People are just posting random stuffs. They are posting random stuffs here. Okay, once it's just for the views, nothing much. Once you get the views, you are good to go. Okay, so you come to this place where you see 3 dots at the right top or right hand side, like the top. You tap on the 3 dots, you come to see invite a friend and endpoint. So you can actually invite a friend. So I can send people to like scan this particular stuff, and they will be get invited. Or I can actually share my link, and they get what is it called, once they use my invitation code, they are going to come to this particular app and download the app. Once they download the app, they're going to be getting coins. Okay, they're going to be getting coins for their first time of registering. So this is how this app, like now you can see no views and no referrals. I haven't referred anybody yet. I just opened this app, I came across it, and I've went through it, and I decided to make this video. Okay, so the link to download this video is going to be in the description box. To download this app is going to be in the description box. So this is it for this video. So once you like click on the invitation link, is going to take you to your Google Chrome or whatever, or your Google itself. Then you're going to see this particular what is it called again? You're going to see this particular QR. I got it. So you're going to be seeing it. Once you see it, you can like scan it, or you download it, then copy the invitation code. Make sure you copy the invitation code, because without the invitation code, you're not going to be earning at your first time of logging in. Okay, so this is it about this video. I just decided to like make this video for all of us, okay, to teach you, so that I'm earning, you are earning. I just decided to like try this particular app. So let's see if this app is going to work for us. If you see this video, please try as much as possible to hop on it right now before it's everywhere. I think it's a new app, so before it's everywhere, because I came across something that is even for 2026 and all that. You get something that is even for 2026. So they just created this app, and people haven't known this app already. So this is all about this app. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Don't forget to like subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, comment. Okay, like the video and also comment. So this is how you are going to be earning points once you come here. So if you have a question, let me know in the comment section. And once you download, you come here and tap on earn. It says spend 60 seconds in the app, earn 1 point per session. So if I tap on this particular place, earn 1 point each day by spending 60 seconds in the app. A progress bar will appear when you open the app, tracking your time. Just stay until the bar fills up. So if I just do this, let's see if it's going to come up. Okay, 60 seconds. I didn't see the bar, but I think I didn't see the bar come up. But again, this is how you are going to be earning in this app. If you don't want to like create videos, you can go for that particular how to earn here. Then you spend 5 minutes here. You spend 5 minutes in this app, you earn your money. So this is how it is being done. So when I said I saw something about 2026, this is it. So this is about crypto. Like, this is about crypto. So it's a phase 2 app. Like phase 2 of this particular app. Collect points now and receive a 50% bonus when converting them to crypto. You get, before this phase, and this is the phase they are giving you: February 1st 2026, and March 1 2026, and June 1 2026. So this is a challenge that I said here for 5 minutes, and I got this 100 points. So you can also do it. Okay, you can also do it. This is how it is, and that is all for this video. Please, if you have any question, don't forget to ask.